What's up, everybody? This is Shamalal coming again with another video. Today, we're going to be playing some TCG Card Shop Simulator. I'm so excited. I actually really love this game. I was talking about it the other day, and I said it's a game that's like, I feel like it shouldn't be fun because it feels like a really like weird mobile game. But you know what? It is just like so much fun. Shamalal. There you go. Come have a Shamalal at Shamalal's. Like it just feels like a very basic. Where's my box of boosters? Open up phone. Oh yeah, I have to order card packs, right? Let's go. Get 3 boxes. Start. We'll go pick them up. Then we'll toss them on the shelf. Oh, that's not allowed to do. But yeah, this game is so much fun. I feel like it has no right to be this fun. But you know what? I've been playing it for a bit now, and I enjoy it so much. It took me forever to realize that you can actually just like, I used to like put the box down and like grab a handful of cards. I didn't realize that you could just like do this like right from the box. Okay, let's start with this. Start off small, and we're gonna go here. We're gonna do 20% and then round up. Yeah, we'll do that. $2 profit per X. Now let's flip that open sign. Yeah, come on everyone, come in. Let's maybe just order some extra stuff too. Maybe just order like 1 more box. Oops. I'm doing this on all. I'm pressing all the wrong buttons. Let's grab these. Okay. Fill them. Then we're gonna drop these, rip these bad boys open. Grab some cards, get some XP. Open this bad boy up. Come on. Get some good stuff. Get some XP. The last one. Then we gotta man the till because people are probably like wanting to check out. Here we go. Give me the money. $4. Yeah. Get him. Yeah, let's go, baby. Like honestly, a game that has no reason to be this fun. So maybe, you know, let's grab 1 pack off the shelf so we can maybe hit level 2 here. We can buy the bigger box. Okay, so now we can go here. We can buy the license for this, and now let's get 2 boxes of that. Oh, I didn't. I do this every time. I always forget to hit. Forget to go in and actually like do it. So we're not gonna, and you know what? I'm not gonna do like, I'm gonna do like, I don't want to do any real min-maxing in this. I want to like actually like have build the shop that I would want, you know, because there's a lot of like there's some things like, you know, like people are like, oh yeah, if you want to make the most profit, you just, you know, get the most profitable card box and just stock your whole store with it. Which is fine, you know, but like for me, I want to play, you know, I'm just gonna play it the way I want to play it. There you go. It's like, can I pick this up? But I just want to like, you know, I find that like, you know, I started this, I remember starting it and playing, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just, I think I just like started off with saying I'm gonna get everything and just carry a bit of everything. By then like watching a video and it's like, yeah, just make a shop and just have this 1 card box that's the most profitable and just stock it with that and like funnel everyone to it and you'll just be profitable. And it's like, oh, that's like fun, but like it just feels kind of soul sucking. But also I will say that I always thought when I was, you know, obviously when you're growing up, is like, be like, man, kind of like, you know, when you're older and you're like, oh man, it'd be cool to have a bar. But like, you know, I was like, oh man, it'd be cool to have my own card shop. But like, This just proves that like it'd be so much like it'd just be beyond stressful all of the time. But I'm doing, and I did the rounding too, so then it's just easier and you can do change faster and check people out way faster. That's a bit of like, I don't know if you call that min-maxing, but maybe. Okay, soon we're gonna probably woe up on this, because I think once we hit level 3, we can, once we hit level 3, we can get the first thing, a card box, I think. The box of boosters. Yeah. Okay, open her up. Yeah, like, just makes me realize that if I had my own card shop, this would be beyond stressful, like, sitting here, like... I know when I was doing a bit of everything, I was, like, pricing... Like, I was actually, like, trying to actively sell cards. And then I was like, yeah, I gotta sell cards. And then, like, realizing that, like... You know, like, having to sit there, price cards, man the till, order things, make sure I'm not running out of stuff, and, like... You know, making sure people are getting checked out in a, like, timely manner. I was like, this is just, like, beyond stressful. But it's very fun. As stressful as it seems sometimes, it is very fun. Pull some cards. Okay. Yeah. Ooh, that'd be big money. I know that the instinct. I know there's like achievement stuff to like collect cards, so I'm not gonna instinctually. I would sell that, but I'm gonna hold off this round. Back change, my man. Oh, let's go. That's a lot of boosters. 28 bucks, eh? Let's go. Okay, level 3. Stock order. Let's purchase this, and then let's get, like, 4 boxes. Okay, so let's go over here. Put this down. We're gonna... Oops. Take those off. Those down. This up. And again, we'll do market price times 10. Go. Really downside about the shelf too. We're gonna like try to drop these down. Okay. Check out. Let's go. Bucks. Oh, see, we're just like flying. $3. Oh, too many. Losing money here. Put these down there. Get these out of here now that we have a minute. To like save some time, we're gonna do this here. Put it right here at the front. And that way people just like, we can save time. Save time, and people can look at the items in the store right here. That way we can restock fast, so we get more stuff. Make this feel, yeah. There we go. Just crushing it here, eh? You know what we should do? Let's go here. I'm gonna buy a cabinet. Go here. We're gonna put this thing like right there. Okay, now we're gonna order some boxes. 5 of them. We'll do this to start. Like I said, we're gonna start this to get like rolling, and then we're always gonna make sure, even though I'm like, you know, always having the. Even though I'm always having, you know, majority of these like booster box things, we're still gonna make sure that we like include everything. Oh yeah, we don't have anything to do with like the guys with body odor yet. Drop that there. Go. flick that light switch on. Go here. Yeah, we're almost like all full up there. Okay, now. Go in there. Let's rip a couple packs while we wait. Let's go. 10. Back change, love it. Ooh. Let's go. Oh, yeah, how much? Okay, so when you do this, when you upgrade your shop, the more you upgrade it, the more people come. So we want to do that as quick as possible. Okay, what can I buy? Like, oh, you can buy like quite a bit right off the bat. I couldn't remember like what you can actually buy like right off. Oh, whoops. Sorry, everyone. Sorry, my dude. There we go. We're like doing pretty good for like day one here. Okay, let's get some more. Get like 2 more boxes of that. I don't want to be like left with like no cash. Okay, let's go. 12 bucks. Thank you, sir. Drop that there. Thank you. Oh, exact change. Love to see it. Love to see it. Excellent. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, like, I don't know. Like level, like almost level 4, like day 1 seems pretty good. Go. Okay, let's get maybe 1 more box. Alright. Oh yeah, it wants me to bring like get a play table. I'm gonna do the tutorial steps, but I don't really like to. What we'll do here. Let's go. My DIY. Let's get a play table. Like took like all my money. Put it there for now. Just a tutorial thing. Now I have to let people. Now I have to let people play. All right. Ugh. Running tight margins here for now. We're doing pretty good. Level 4 first day. Pretty good. Yeah, not full on speed running, but yeah, like I don't know. I like the fact that you get like later on too. You can get like plushies, like play mats, like card sleeves. You get board games too. Like that's pretty good. There we go. Gonna finish off this box here. Oh, there we go. Sick pull. Let's go. Alright, that's the end of day 1. Let's go. What do you need for on here? Need some. Go. Okay, maybe you want to get one more box for the end of the day. Not bad, not bad. Pretty good day one, honestly. Let's see. Negative profit, but hey, to be expected this early on, you know? Like, all right, let's flip that sign open. Maybe grab, to start, one of these. Oh, you know what? We're gonna buy the license for the bigger one. Oh, enough money. Oh yeah, we gotta sell like one. That's fine. We can open up this. Get a first morning ripping cracking a pack here. Not too good. Not the greatest, but hey. Is what it is. We should like sell like one thing. Alright. Oh, and everybody. Go. Looks. Alright, and then what does it cost to buy the big one? 143. So you know what? I'm gonna wait until remove this from the cart. Oh, wait there. What else can we get right now? We're level 4. Soon we can buy the next level boosters. Oh, we can buy the license for that soon too. We probably should do that sooner than later. Like 6. Default. Oh yeah, accessories. I wanted to look here too. So we can get sleeves too. Well, we get sleeves, dice. We get like all kinds of stuff. Oh, whoops. Sorry, friend. Oh, there we go. Now we're making it. Me and the cat making it happen over here. 32 bucks. Let's go. Check this guy through quickly. So, now, go here and let's buy 2 boxes. Purchase that to start. Grab the. I want to make sure these are stocked. Drop that. Bucks. Grab this. Feel bad for that guy. How are we on them? We're pretty full. We're missing like 2 basically. We can use some boosters. Go. I'm gonna keep that box because once we get the license for the next boosters, we're gonna like just split that shelf. We'll keep the box for now. 6 bucks. Here we go. Man, we're doing it. Okay, now go here. Buy the license for this. Buy a case of this. Start. Because we don't want. We want at least some way of dealing with the smelly boys to start off with. Have any of them right now? They're all here. You can sell that too, but right now I don't want anything with it. We'll crack a pack. Like midday. Oh man. Like what a dud of a pack. Crack it open. Ooh. Oh, there we go. There's some decent ones. There we go. Doing better. Let's go. Thank you, sir. Okay, let's get some more. Unbox this one. Let's go. Okay. Now, I'm gonna grab, before we get too far, I'm gonna grab one of these shelves. I wanna pop one of the bad boys right beside. Then grab another one of the boxes. Oof. Right. There you go. Okay. I normally don't want to put these on here too much. We're just gonna put the bare minimum. Again, with this, around. Okay. So now we got the, like, a lot of this goes by how much stuff you have in the shop, like what items they can look at, and they have like a set thing they'll look at. That was a terrible pack. Hopefully that guy gets luckier than I did. Boom. Let's go. Doing not bad though. Like, day 2, a little slower than day 1, obviously, but like that's to be expected. Once we get that 10 card players in there, we're gonna get rid of that table, I think, too. Ugh, or do I want to? I don't know. I kind of don't want to. I kind of want to, but at the same time, I'm like, oh, maybe not. It's hard. It's hard. Just one? Come on, man. Oh, yeah, okay, now I want to look at, okay, what's the next big reno? 400, eh? Yeah. So maybe now we'll keep this stocked up, but then our next thing will be to expand the shop. We'll expand the shop to, we're just gonna keep our extra boxes. Oops. No, that's not what I want to do. Box up. Keep hitting the wrong hotkeys. I want to make sure I have, like, I know that I just have like empty boxes. Go. Thank you. Back another pack. I'm like addicted to this. Like real life, you know, you feel like you're like, oh man, I'm feeling lucky. I gotta crack another pack, and then like just one more. It truly is gambling. But I didn't do that when I was younger with Magic the Gathering. Oof. Oh, and Yu-Gi-Oh! Yu-Gi-Oh! Was a really big one too. I've seen that they have a Pokemon mod for this too, and it's pretty good. I was watching Charlie play it, and it looked amazing. Okay, we're gonna go here. We're gonna order one of these. I know we're like really close to 400. We could have just like waited, but I want to do this just so that we make sure that we keep the sales up. Box has. Okay, we don't need this many boxes, so I'm gonna trash that one. Go. Okay, we almost made that like all back now. Grab this. I'm just gonna go here. I'm not gonna put too many on here. Actually, you know what? I'll just put all of them on there. Just like fill it up. And this way, but yeah, I saw the Charlie playing the Pokemon mod, and it was really cool. Like I heard him mention that they're making a Yu-Gi-Oh! One too, which would be like huge. I'd love that. Back in the day, I had like played Yu-Gi-Oh! With my best friend at the time, who passed away, and he like, man, I had like every card from the show, and it was unreal. It was except I was so I remember he was going to like a day camp during one summer, and I was like, hey man, he's like, there was an edition of Magic that I was collecting cards from, and he was like, hey, I heard this kid has some, do you want me to trade some of your Yu-Gi-Oh cards for it, because I was kind of getting out of it, but I still wanted to keep them, you know. I was like, sure, trade what you can, and he traded like everything for like, and it was like, they're all like crappy cards or whatever. I remember I was super pissed at him for like a really long time about it, but it was like, because I had like every card from like the show. All right, let's just, you know what, let's just crack that pack. I had like every card from like the show, like all of like Yuki's cards, and like not the starter deck ones. Like I had the ones like the actual pulls from the boosters that were like actually tournament legal. I played in a tournament too. That was pretty fun. But yeah, eventually, like, I don't know. Eventually, I think I ended up quitting because I had a really toxic experience playing with somebody. But then I was just like, yeah, I'm not playing Yu-Gi-Oh anymore. But I kind of miss it. It was like pretty fun. I tried looking at some of the newer cards, and like, man, they get like way too fancy. They're like, there's way too many rules and stuff now that I'm like, ugh. Not today. Oh yeah, okay. Stock order. Now we're level 5. It's 300 for that license. Hmm. You know what? Let's see. Okay. Now I'm debating what do I want to do. You know what? I'm gonna do the expansion first, because then I'll get more customers, which they'll make in turn make more money. Okay, we're gonna go down to 50 cents here. We're gonna do a big, big gamble. There we go, down to the whopping 50 cents. Buy a card table, or buy a card table and put it in the shop. What's it? How much does a card table cost? I forget. Isn't that expensive? It's like 400 bucks. That's brutal. Hey, we've got some money. There we go. Yeah, second this card, once this card shot, this table's done. Normally, I mean, I would box it up and just leave it, but you know what? I think for now, I don't know. I could use the extra money. Like, I think, because I get like 200 bucks back from it, I think. That'd be like pretty good, actually. Oh yeah, I wanted to look at the, where's the, like, isn't there a reviews thing? Good stuff, not bad by basic card packs. Fast shop, I like that guy. Love the prices. I want to see if there's anyone that's like missing something. Like, I wish they had this, but doesn't seem to be the case. Hey, buy stuff. Don't just walk by. Don't be amused by the people playing cards. Buy things. How dare you? Yeah, let's see what we got here too for cards too. Because I know at one point I have to sell cards too. I got like single. See, the thing is, like, I've got like some cards that like sell for money, but like I don't. Oh, there we go. I was gonna say I don't have a lot of doubles, but I guess I do. There we go. Now I got some people buying. Want any stinky boys in my shop? We do need to buy one more of these. Again, cutting it tight. $26. Let's go. Okay, we gotta fill that up with the 4. 2 there. 1. Oh no. You don't need it. Bucks. Hey, buy some stuff, people. Come on. Come on. I think maybe we'll play one more day. Okay. Yeah, you know what? We're gonna start the next day. Let's see what we got. 45 transactions, eh? Earnings still negative, you know, but that's fine. We did a lot of upgrading. Oh, whoops, no, that's what we want. We're gonna go here and we want to box that back up, and then we're gonna sell it. Let's yeah, let's sell it and get $100 back. Okay, flip that sign. Let's go. Grab a pack here. Crack it. Come on. Get some good stuff. Ooh, a muffin. Let's go. Yeah. Thanks for buying stuff. Okay, so we need, our goal now is we need to make 300 bucks. So let's make 300, then we can buy the new booster, or we can get the license for the new booster, I should say. Ah, okay, it's like a tongue twister. Okay. 48. Go. Okay, so now going to here. We'll unlock this. 70 bucks to buy a box of boosters. Okay. Oh, whoops. Sorry, friendo. Almost left you hanging. Okay, so now go here. Grab those. Hey, let you in my shop right now. 1 minute, friend. Whoops. Yeah, I did right. There you go. I'll promptly leave, sir. Okay. Now, we want to buy... There we go. Market price 10 round. Thinking, oh man, this big spender right here. Look at this. That clear me out. Wild. Doing not bad. Doing not bad. I mean, I feel like... Oh, this box has no item in it. There you go. Well, this guy bought all... I was like, how did I lose some? I was confused. Okay, let's go. We're almost at level 6. Crushing it. What else do we have over here? Oh, I just have the regular cards. Regular boosters. Alright. Well, we're only at noon. We're crushing it. Doing great. I think too, if memory serves, I think the next big reno, 500 bucks. Let's go. Okay. There. Oops. Too much. Alright, let's get 2 boxes of boosters. Cutting it fine. Buying everything. Let's go. More items. Okay, go. Alright, sorry, ma'am. Yeah, I don't know. This game's just like something just like strangely really fun about it. Like again, it's a lot of like time management. Right? Oh, I like you. I don't like you that much, guy. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Now we need to buy it. You know what? Let's go here. Let's bite the bullet and buy this silly card table. Put it right here. Then we'll see what we can sell in it after. Grab 1 box of boosters. When can I get this one? Level 9. How are we doing? Booster packs over there. I gotta check. It's like this is the part where it gets stressful because it's like when people all start buying different stuff, and I'm like, oh, how are we on stock of everything? Okay, we need more regular. Take those. Elf, I guess. Then here, that's all we have. Okay. So now we need, yeah, we need regular boosters. Well, maybe not regular boosters yet, but we need the new boosters. New pack of the boosters. We need one more of these. If four. Oh no, we can't do that yet. Let's do that to start. Okay. Bucks. Oh, let's go. Big spender. Go. Go. Man, crushing it. Alright, let's grab these quickly. I know you're at the counter, I'm sorry. Man. Intense. There's everyone coming at once. Oops. Oops. There you go. Okay, now let's get... Maybe there are 3. Sorry, friends. I'll be at the counter in a minute. Oh man. Look that light on. Let's go. Let's go. Man. Intense. Business is picking up. Going crazy. Going crazy. Oh. Oh. Press the spacebar slight bit too early. Okay. Now we need to go here to accessories. We need to order a case of that. And for booster packs, we need to buy a case of those. Probably a case of the... $12. Yeah. Oh, oops. Sorry, everyone. Or on there. Want to keep one handy. Could. Okay. The end of the day, we'll maybe find some like common cards just to put on the table because we just need to sell. All we need to do is sell 10 cards, which like isn't a lot. And soon we gotta start buying licenses for some other products too, I think. Because I want to get some other diversify my income here. Closer. Wow, gotta take one of those. Take some more. Let's go. 36. Let's do it. What did I have out of here still? Oh, box boosters. Yeah, I literally just bought these. I don't know, I forgot already. Okay. Doing pretty good stock wise right now, I think. Unless like these guys just like clear me out, which would, I mean, hey, I wouldn't be opposed to it. They wanna clear me out and give me some good. We can crack a pack in a while. Let's see. Oh, that sucked. Not fun. Not fun. Yeah, that's a fair price. That's right. That's what I want to hear. I know I could like probably make them like slightly more expensive, but I kind of just want to go like, you know, make a little bit of cash. I don't want to. Whoa, big spender. That's just man. Whoa, we're over 1,000. Okay, now let's do this. We're gonna go. We're gonna buy some licenses. I think there's some like if I go to accessories, buy the license for that. Buy the license for the dice. Can't really buy. Well, we could buy the licenses for the deck. You know what? We're gonna do one deck box. Let's not get too crazy with that. Figurines. I could do. I don't want to do plushies just yet. Let's grab some boosters or some sleeves rather. And we're gonna grab. I'm gonna grab one thing of dice just to start. I'm gonna start off small with extra stuff. Mainly because right now we don't really have a lot of shelves either, which is another thing I have to kind of account for. There we go, 102. Man, what a swamp day. I barely, like, not that I had tons of boosters to crack anyway, like I didn't have a lot of extra ones sitting around until like later in the day, but I didn't even have time to do it either. Let's go. Man, crushing it. And a little restock things, maybe get some shelves too. Okay, let's flip that over. Okay, so here's what we gotta do. Let's buy a shelf for sure. We need. I like I was bounced on top of the other box. That was amazing. Okay, so we're gonna put that there. We're gonna grab these and we're gonna toss them right here. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Get some dice. Okay. So, 10 round. 10 round. Now, let's look at. Oh yeah, okay. Now we need to buy a couple. We need to buy a couple boxes, maybe like 3 boxes. Cut into what we have left there quite a bit, but then we gotta. Box has no items. Okay, let's see. I might need. Oh, I really should have one more. Actually, you know, it's not too bad. Didn't I have boosters? Oh yeah, I do. Okay. Okay. Okay, those boosters are gone. Oh yeah. And then lastly, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go. Let's go to the very front. I doubt we have doubles of anything that's like worth anything. Oh, we got 3. We'll get rid of the ones that we have doubles of that are the most expensive first. Because I just want to get rid of. All I want to do is just like sell the cards to get the thing, and then from there, then just like once I get the like I don't know, I want to say achievement, but yeah, basically the achievement for what I want to do 10%. We'll just call it 50 cents. This is gonna be hard for some of these ones. 10% around there. 10% round. I just want to be done with them. Okay. All right. I think that's like everything for this day. So now we're gonna call it here. Here I'll hit the end to enter the end of the day. We'll call it here. If you guys like this video, make sure you like and subscribe. If you like my Minecraft specific content, don't forget to subscribe on KylerCraft. And yeah, you guys have yourselves a great day, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.